Good morning, class 3. Let's start a new chapter, which is in Unit 3, Chapter 1, Heavenly Bodies. So, all of you take out your EVS book, We and Our Surroundings, and open page number 67, Chapter 1 of Unit 3, Heavenly Bodies. First of all, let's see what is the meaning of heavenly bodies. Heavenly bodies means the bodies or the bodies which are in heaven. So they are heavenly bodies. Okay. Now let's start the chapter. Let's read out. Information bonanza. The Earth is one of the 9 planets of the solar system. It is about 149 means 149.6 million kilometers away from the Sun. The Earth was formed about 4.65 billion years ago. The Earth is the 5th largest planet in the solar system. No other planet in the solar system has water on its surface. That is why Earth is suitable for life. The Earth looks bright blue from space due to presence of water on its surface. That is why it is also called the blue planet. If you could put the Earth on scales, it would weigh nearly 6,000 million tons. The temperature of the Earth at its center is 4500 means 4500 degrees Celsius, and the Earth is the only planet known to have enough oxygen for living things. Now, as we all know that there are total in previous what happens that there were 9 planets in our solar system, but now there are total 8 solar systems. So, 8 planets are there. Okay, so on in that Earth is one of them, which is 149.6 million किलोमीटर अवे फ्रॉम द सन मीन्स वो सन से कितनी दूर पे है 149.6 मिलियन किलोमीटर्स. नाउ द अर्थ इज फॉर्म्ड about 4.65 million years ago means 4.65 billion years ago पहले जो अर्थ है वो फॉर्म हुई थी. एंड अर्थ इज द 5th लार्जेस्ट प्लैनेट इन द सोलर सिस्टम. जो हमारा सोलर सिस्टम है उसमें जो 8 प्लैनेट्स हैं प्रेजेंट में, उसमें जो अर्थ है दैट इज द 5th लार्जेस्ट प्लैनेट. ओके, नाउ no other planet in the solar system has water on its surface. Yes, no other planet means except Earth, as we all live on Earth. Okay, so except Earth there is no planet which have water on its surface, and that is why Earth is suitable for life. That is why only life is possible on Earth. That is why only we are living on Earth. Now the Earth looks bright blue from space due to the presence of water on its surface. Now from space से जब हम लोग when we see the Earth, then it just looks like a bright blue. It looks bright blue because of the water on its surface. जो अर्थ है उसके सरफेस पे जो भी वाटर प्रेजेंट है, वाटर का कलर क्या होता है ब्लू. सो और जो अर्थ है हमारी उस पे अराउंड 70% क्या है वाटर है. अर्थ का जो 70% है दैट इज वाटर. सो दैट इज वाई व्हेन वी लुक अर्थ फ्रॉम द स्पेस it looks bright blue. That is why only जो अर्थ है उसको हम लोग ब्लू प्लैनेट भी कहते हैं. That is why it is also known as blue planet. Now if you could put the Earth on scales, it would weigh nearly 6,000 million tons. Now, अब अगर हम लोग अर्थ को, if we will weight, वेटिंग मशीन्स होती हैं, वेटिंग स्केल्स भी होते हैं, तो अगर हम लोग अर्थ को वेट करेंगे तो उसका वेट कितना आएगा? It will be nearly 6,000 million tons. Means that this is very heavy. Okay. Now the temperature. टेम्परेचर, जो अर्थ का जो टेम्परेचर है एट द सेंटर, ओके, अर्थ के सेंटर पे जो टेम्परेचर है वो क्या है? 4500 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ओके. नाउ द अर्थ इज द ओनली प्लैनेट नोन टू हैव एनफ ऑक्सीजन फॉर लिविंग things. Yes, Earth is the only planet which have oxygen, and oxygen is used for taking breathe. Okay, or oxygen is very important for all the living beings just to survive. So it is the only planet which have enough oxygen. I hope this much is clear to everyone. Now turn to the page number 68. On page number 68, students see the first picture. It is a picture of our solar system. Okay, in this, in the middle, the sun is located in the middle of the solar system. You can see the orange color. Then the first planet is Mercury, second is Venus, third is Earth, fourth Mars, fifth Jupiter, sixth Saturn, seventh Uranus, eighth Neptune, and ninth Pluto. Okay, but now Pluto is not a part of a solar system. Okay, so before 5 to 6 years old ago, 4-5 साल पहले क्या था कि जो प्लूटो था वो भी हमारा सोलर सिस्टम का एक पार्ट था. दैट वाज आल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ अ सोलर सिस्टम ओनली. ओके, बट नाउ प्लूटो इज not a part of a solar system. So before 4 to 5 years ago, before 4 to 5 years, what happens in the solar system? So there were total 9 planets, but nowadays, आज के टाइम में क्या है कि nowadays there are total 8 planets. Okay. Now, students, the names of these planets is very important, and you have to learn the names of the planets in the sequence. The sequence should be same as Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, then Saturn, then Uranus and Neptune. Okay, so the sequence should be same. It should not anything else. Now let's see the Earth. The Earth, the Sun, the Moon and the stars are heavenly bodies. Yes, the Earth, Sun, Moon are heavenly bodies as they all are in heaven, and the Earth moves around the Sun. Yes, the Earth moves around the Sun means जो Earth है वो Sun के आसपास ही घूमती है. Okay, so it moves around the Sun, and any object that moves around the Sun is called a planet. So the Earth is a planet. Now any object means कोई भी चीज जो कि Sun के आसपास घूमती है, which moves around the Sun is a planet. Okay, and Earth as Earth also moves around the Sun. जो Earth है वो भी Sun के आसपास घूमती रहती है. That is why Earth is known as a planet, and that is why Earth is a planet. Now there are 9 planets that move around the Sun. Yes, not only Earth moves around the Sun. सिर्फ Earth ही नहीं है जो Sun के आसपास घूमती है. The whole solar system, the all 9 planets, they all move around the Sun. Students, you can see in the picture also that a yellow line. Okay, so that yellow line is known as the orbit. Okay, so the planets here, they move in their orbit only. The yellow line, the circular yellow line, the yellow circles, they are known as the orbit of that planet. Okay, so जो planets हैं, what they do, they move in their orbits only. Okay, now these are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. The sun and the planets together make the sun's family called the solar system. Now the sun है और जो 9 planets है, the sun and the 9 planets, they all make a family which is known as sun's family. Okay, and the name of that family is solar system. Is it clear? Now, planets move around the sun in definite paths called orbits. Yes, as I told you that these yellow circles, they are the orbits. Okay, so this is the path in which the planets move. Okay, now they do not collide with each other. They do not collide with each other means they collide means आपस में टकराना. So they don't collide with each other. जो planets हैं, they does not collide with each other. Okay, while moving around the sun. Then planets have no light of their own. Yes, the planets which are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, they does not have their own light. Okay? इनके पास खुद की कोई लाइट नहीं होती. So they reflect the sunlight which fall on them. They reflect means what? ये जो शाइन करते हैं जो planets, the planets which are shining, no, so that shine is the reflection of the sunlight. जो planets जो shine कर रहे हैं, जो भी हमें light दे रहे हैं, that is a reflect of the sunlight. जो sunlight जो उन पर fall हो रही है, the sunlight which is falling on these planets, they reflect that only. Now the earth is made up of land and water. Yes, जो earth है, that is made up of land and water, and about 71% of the earth's surface is covered with water. Yes, now from the whole earth, you can see the picture of a earth. The second picture you can see. So what you are seeing, that the major portion is in blue color. So what that blue color represents? It represents the water. So so about 70% of the earth's surface is covered with water, and the rest 29% is land. जो अर्थ है उसका 71% जो है कवर्ड है वाटर से, और जो बाकी का जो पोर्शन है मींस दैट रेस्ट 29%, जो रेस्ट 29% है अर्थ का, दैट इज लैंड. Students, if you are facing any problem or if there is any difficulty, then ask me on WhatsApp group. Okay, now I hope this much is clear. So see page number 69. Now, shape of the earth. The earth is round in shape. Many proofs show that the earth is round. When a ship sails out of the shore into the sea, it disappears gradually. The lower part disappears first and funnel disappears later. This is possible only on a round surface. Now, the earth is round in shape. It means that the जो earth का जो shape है that is round, and there are many proofs which shows that the earth is round. Okay, now for an example, when a ship goes for a sailing, okay, when a ship sails out of the shore into the sea, when it goes for sailing into the sea, then what happens? It disappears gradually. What happens? वो धीरे 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 वो क्या होती है? Disappear होना शुरू हो जाती है. So the lower part disappears first. जो lower part है means the ship का जो lower part है that starts disappearing first. वो पहले disappear होता है. Disappear means दिखाई नहीं देना. Okay, so जो lower part होता है ship का that disappears first, and after that the funnel disappears. So this is only and only possible in a round surface only. Okay, now man has landed on the moon. Photographs of the earth has been taken from the moon. All these photographs show that the earth is round. The earth looks a huge blue ball from space. That is why it is also called a blue planet. Now, man means the human beings. There are some human beings which who went for on the moon. बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो मून पर गए हैं. They had landed on the moon, and from the moon they have taken some photographs, means some pictures they has been taken. They has taken the photographs of the earth, which, and in all that photographs, उन सारी photographs में क्या दिख रहा है कि जो earth है that is round in shape. Okay, बहुत सारे लोग जो है मून पर गए हैं. मैन हैज लैंडेड ऑन द मून. यस, कुछ लोग मून पर गए थे, स्पेस में जाते हैं. सो उसमें से जो लोग स्पेस पे जाते हैं, व्हाट दे हैव डन, फ्रॉम स्पेस दे हैव टेकन अ फोटोग्राफ ऑफ द अर्थ. वहां से उन्होंने अर्थ की पिक्चर ली है. दे हैव टेकन अ फोटोग्राफ ऑफ दैट फ्रॉम द मून. एंड व्हाट ऑल दैट फोटोग्राफ्स शो, उन सारी फोटोग्राफ्स में क्या दिखता है? That all shows that the earth is rounding shape. जो अर्थ का जो शेप है that is round, and from space, that is from moon, that earth, जो अर्थ है वो मून से कैसी दिख रही है? It looks like a huge blue ball. ऐसा लगता है जैसे कोई huge means बड़ा. So बड़ी सी ब्लू कलर की बॉल हो. Okay, that is why it is also called a blue planet, and that is why earth is known as a blue planet. Okay, in GK also we have studied which planet is known as a blue planet. In the topic solar system. Okay, so earth is also known as a blue planet. Now, movement of the earth. The earth moves in two ways, rotation and revolution. Now, जो अर्थ का जो मूवमेंट है that is in two ways. जो अर्थ है वो हमारी दो तरीके से मूव करती है. The first one is rotation and the second one is revolution. Now, let's see what is the rotation and revolution. The earth spins around on its axis like a top. So this movement is called rotation. Now rotation में क्या होता है कि we all know top सबने खेला है. क्या होता है, उसका एक एक्सिस होता है, एक पॉइंट होता है, वो उसी पे स्पिन होता रहता है. it takes several rounds on that point only. Okay, so जो अर्थ है it also spins round, means अपनी स्पेस पे ही एक बार राउंड लेती है, अपने ही एक्सिस पे एक बार राउंड लेती है, जस्ट लाइक अ टॉप, and that movement is known as rotation of the earth. And through that and the earth rotates from west to east. कैसे रोटेट करती है वो, उसका भी एक क्या है, पैटर्न है, दैट इज इट मूव्स फ्रॉम वेस्ट टू ईस्ट and it rotates once every 24 hours. और you can say जो अर्थ है उसको वन रोटेशन कंप्लीट करने में उसको कितना टाइम लगता है, it takes 24 hours just to complete one rotation. Okay, now as the earth rotates on its axis it also moves around the sun. अब हाँ, जैसे कि अर्थ अपने एक्सिस पे ही रोटेट करती है, देन ऑल्सो इट मूव्स अराउंड द सन. In the video class or in virtual class I will show you how the earth moves on its axis and how it moves in the revolution. Okay, I will show you the difference of rotation and revolution. Now, as the earth rotates on its axis, it also moves around the sun. Then, this movement is also called revolution of the earth. Now, जैसे कि अर्थ जो है वो क्या है, वो अपने एक्सिस पे ही राउंड करती है, तो दैट इज रोटेशन. बट अपने एक्सिस के साथ राउंड लेते लेते जब वो जो है सन का भी पूरा राउंड लेती है, तो दैट इज रिवॉल्यूशन. नाउ द अर्थ रिवॉल्व्स वंस एवरी 365 1/4 days. This is called a year. And earth takes 1 year, and in 1 year how many days are there? 365. So it takes 365 1/4 day just to complete one revolution. Or in short we can say that earth takes one whole year just to complete one revolution. Okay, now I hope this much is clear to everyone.